Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to make these simple baby booties for 0 to 6 months. Other sizes are on Naztazia.com. To do this, I'm using less than 50 yards of Red Heart Chic Sheep and a size F hook. To begin, chain 15. Skip the first chain and single crochet in the next 14 chains. Chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet in each of the 14 stitches, going under both loops. Continue doing this for a total of 20 rows. On the last stitch of the 20th row, begin the single crochet with the green and finish it with another color yarn such as white. Chain 1 and turn. Working in the back loops only, make 8 single crochet stitches across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet in the back loops of those same 8 stitches. At the end, begin your single crochet with the white yarn and then change over to the green yarn which you've been carrying up the sides. Chain 1 and turn your work. Do 8 single crochet stitches. And do another row with the green yarn. Make 22 total rows of alternating white and green yarn. Cut the yarn with a long tail end and fasten off. Your work should be about 9.5 inches this way and 3.5 inches this way. Fold the large green in half like this and fold the stripes like this. Sew the stripe section to the solid color section. Now we're going to gather the striped section. Use your yarn to weave in and out along the top edge of the front of the shoes. You can go around a second time to get a more secure fit. Pull the strand to tighten. Weave in all ends securely. Fold over the sides. With the other strand of yarn, weave in and out of the bottom edge. Do this twice to get a strong fit. Pull tight. Make a few stitches to knot it in place. Now you can seam together the bottom section. And weave in all ends. If you want a button as a decoration, be sure to sew it on really tightly so the baby can't pull it off. These 0 to 6 slippers are about 3.5 inches wide. Check out Naztazia.com for other sizes.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.